Hey, creatures of hunger and accidental enlightenment, welcome. For 3 long, slightly unhinged years, we've been whispering about one forbidden trick. Not eating. Yeah, voluntary starvation, but make it classy. And surprisingly, it slaps. Let's start simple before your brain panics and runs to the fridge. First, weight loss. Shocking, I know. If you eat less, you shrink. Revolutionary science. Unless you're already underweight, then please, close this video and go romance a sandwich. For everyone else, yes, hormones can slow things down, but overall, no food. The body starts using itself like a backup battery. And why even care? 2 spicy facts. Extra weight quietly shortens your life. It invites a whole party of problems. Heart disease, depression, low energy, worse quality of life. So yeah, you might live long, but feel like a tired potato doing it. Now the fun part, the legal high. Skip food for a bit, then eat a piece of bread. Boom. It hits like poetry, like your taste buds just woke up from a 10-year coma screaming, "This is divine." Why? Because every time you eat, your brain throws a mini rave. Dopamine, serotonin, even opioid-like chemicals. Eat too often, and your brain gets bored. Same pizza, less joy. You become emotionally numb to lasagna. Tragic, but add hunger, and suddenly a basic apple tastes like a Michelin star miracle. Third, regeneration. Your body goes into repair mode. Growth hormone skyrockets, sometimes massively. That means better healing, recovery, even brain repair. Think of it like your body saying, "We're low on snacks, time to fix everything we've been ignoring." Example, small cuts, fatigue, mental fog. Your system starts cleaning house like a stressed parent before guests arrive. Now about cancer. Heavy topic. Short periods of fasting may actually reduce risks overall. It's not magic, not immortality. People still get sick, but fasting nudges the odds slightly in your favor. Think 1 step back, 2 steps forward. Next, your brain. In experiments, fasting literally upgraded memory. The brain forms more connections, grows stronger, faster, like going from a laggy old laptop to something that actually opens tabs without crying. Example, remembering names, focusing longer, learning quicker. Your mental RAM improves, but don't go extreme. Eating once a week won't turn you into Einstein. It'll turn you into a confused skeleton. So what works? 2 main styles. 16 to 8. Eat within 8 hours. Fast for 16. 5.2. Eat normally 5 days. Reduce calories 2 days. Simple moves. Go to bed a little hungry. Don't eat immediately after waking. Let your body sit in that quiet, powerful emptiness. That's where the magic brews. Final thought, light hunger isn't suffering, it's a tool. It sharpens your mind, resets your pleasure, heals your body, and makes food feel like art again. So experiment, don't go insane, just flirt with hunger a little. And if this weird philosophical starvation journey entertained you, subscribe and stay hungry, literally.